Welcome to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools that will blow your mind. Ready to explore? Let's go. First up is Lexicon.art. Imagine creating art with mere words. From landscapes to portraits, Lexicon turns your descriptions into visual wonders. The future of art is here. Meet Descript.com, the voice cloning marvel. Record your voice and let AI create a digital twin. From podcasts to virtual assistants, the applications are endless. Compose like Beethoven with Nubert.com. Select genres, moods, or enter prompts to create unique tracks. It's a symphony of innovation and creativity.
Nubert. Nubert.
Rap with the stars using Uberduck.ai. Type lyrics, choose a voice, and let AI drop the beat. It's a rap revolution, and you're the star.
Once upon a time in the kingdom not so far away, there lived a young woman named Ella. Ella was known throughout the kingdom for her incredible sense of humor and her uncanny ability to turn.
Paint like Picasso with NVIDIA Canvas. Sketch simple shapes and watch them transform into breathtaking landscapes. Artistry has never been so accessible. Revive the past with Replicates.com and Big Color. Restore old photos, add colors, and relive memories with AI brilliance. It's a time machine in digital form. Explore 3D wonders with LumaLabs.ai. Scan objects, create 3D models, and immerse yourself in virtual reality. The future of 3D is here. Enhance your browsing with ChatGPT extensions. Summarize videos, craft articles, and explore the web like never before. Information at your command. Laugh out loud with Supermeme.ai. Generate memes, create GIFs, and spread joy with AI-powered humor. It's comedy reimagined. Animate your world with Kyber.ai. Turn images into videos, blend styles, and create mesmerizing animations. The future of video is here, and it's spectacular. These tools are just the beginning. AI is revolutionizing creativity, making the impossible possible. What's your favorite tool? Share your thoughts. And that's a wrap. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.